So you would think that after Captain America Civil War and the Russo brothers being able to handle so many different characters on the screen at one time, people would trust them, and then being able to put together Avengers Infinity War and have it coherently make some sort of sense. Apparently people don't, but now we know the structure of the film and what we can expect. So essentially we know what the basic plot of Avengers Infinity War is, and I don't think they're going to go any more complex than what's at face value. Thanos has to go and get all the Infinity Stones. That's really it. Well, recently the directors of the film, Joe and Anthony Russo, got to talk to members of the press and kind of just, I guess, streamline what the movie is about. And he says the structure of the film is going to be Thanos hunting for the Infinity Stones. Then Joe Russo added, "It's a key drive to the movie. We have quite a few MacGuffins in the movie that have different relationships to different people. Doctor Strange is the bearer of an Infinity Stone. He has been charged with protecting that Infinity Stone. So there's a lot of characters that come into direct conflict with Thanos." So as you can tell, pretty much I think from what we're understanding is that the Avengers Infinity War movie is going to kind of be told through the eyes of Thanos, kind of catching people up with what exactly is happening and kind of what his reasoning for going after these is. And every time you get introduced to a new stone, you got the character that accompanies it who kind of gets brought to the forefront while Thanos is on this hunt. So the structure of the movie is more or less get from one point to the other, tell you what the stone and the character is about, then finish that up, Thanos probably gains that stone, then move on to the next one. And then Joe Russo adds, so Thanos decides to do it, meaning he goes after the stones, and he's ready to go for it. He's one step ahead of our heroes during the movie, so he puts them through a lot of pain. And I guess that's the process of that. So you're kind of understanding here what's happening. The Avengers have to play catch up with Thanos the entire movie, who's always like, hey look, you just arrived, but somehow I'm already getting this stone. Alright, what's the next step? They get there, Thanos is like, yeah, well, I just destroyed this place, I got the next stone. So yeah, it seems like it's going to be a pretty basic structure. But then again, don't let that kind of, I guess, control how you perceive the movie. Yeah, because, I mean, Civil War was kind of a simple structure, but that movie was, like, completely beyond amazing.